Have you ever faced a jammed garbage disposal and felt a little hesitant about what to do next? It is a common household problem, and knowing how to handle it safely is key. The safest way to unplug a garbage disposal involves completely cutting off its power supply at the circuit breaker box, rather than just pulling the plug from the wall outlet. This crucial step ensures there is no electrical current flowing to the unit, preventing accidental activation or electrical shock during maintenance. The primary reason for this approach is that many disposals are hardwired directly into your home's electrical system, meaning there is no visible plug to pull. Even if your disposal does have a visible plug under the sink, the circuit breaker provides a redundant and more secure method of power disconnection. This eliminates any risk of a faulty plug connection or someone inadvertently reinserting it while you are working on the unit, ensuring your hands are truly safe from the powerful grinding plates inside. To do this, first locate your home's main electrical panel, typically found in a basement, garage, or utility closet. Open the panel door and carefully identify the breaker switch labeled for your kitchen or specifically for the garbage disposal. Flip this switch to the off position, then test the disposal by flicking its wall switch to confirm it no longer receives power. You should also shine a flashlight into the drain opening to visually check the grinding plate and ensure it is not moving at all before proceeding with any work. An important safety tip is to use a non-contact voltage tester, a handheld device that detects electricity without touching wires, to double-check that the disposal unit itself has no power. Simply hold the tester near the disposal's electrical connections. No beep or light means no electricity, giving you complete peace of mind. This extra step is a hallmark of professional safety practices. By always disconnecting power at the circuit breaker and verifying with a non-contact voltage tester, you gain the confidence to safely address disposal issues, protecting yourself from potential hazards. This method ensures that maintenance, whether clearing a jam or simply cleaning, can be performed without any risk of electrical surprise, making your kitchen a safer and more functional space.